National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Sunday. Rain gauge reports indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall rates of 0.5 to 1 inch per hour will be common. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Heavier rainfall with embedded thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening, with local rates up to 1.5 inches per hour possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, dangerous, life-threatening flash flooding is expected